So what I have here is the Lexar 128GB E-Series micro SD card. We're going to do a quick unboxing, then we're going to do a quick real-world speed test with my USB 3.0 adapter here, so you can see what some of the read and write speeds are in a real-world example on my computer. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. So what I've got here is the Lexar 128GB E-Series micro SD card. It's red and white in color, and it comes with an SD card adapter if you have a bigger slot that only handles the SD cards, not the micro SD cards. Again, it's the E-Series. It has read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second. And the class on this unit is a Class 10 U3 V30 A1, and it can do 4K UHD. On the back here, it says that it is a premium memory solution for smartphones and tablets. Let's go ahead and open this up. So there's the micro SD card there. You can see it's red and white on the one side, it's black on the back side. If you did want to use this SD card adapter, the micro SD card just slides in the slot here on the side. You slide it in just like that. And now you can use this in an SD card slot. And if you want to pull it out, you can use it in a micro SD card slot. It's really that easy with the adapter. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my USB 3.0 adapter here, and we'll run that real world speed test on my computer. So let's go do that right now. All right, so here we are on my computer. I'm going to run a read and write test on this micro SD card. So it's drive D in here. We can select that, and I'm going to go ahead and hit all here. And it's going to run the read and write test, and I'll come back to you at the end with the results. So the speed test is complete. I'm not going to go through all these numbers with you. You can pause it here and take a closer look. But for the main read speed, it came in at 98.30 megabytes per second. And for the write speed, it came in at 39.32 megabytes per second, which is kind of what you'd expect in a mid-level card like this. So it would be great for smartphones, tablets, or basic photography and video work. And again, this is the Lexar 128GB E-Series micro SD card. So if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.